LinkedIn ranks UI/UX design in the top 10 most in-demand skills with 98,000 plus job openings in India alone. Are you ready to grab one of those? Do you have inherent design skills within you and are aspiring to design next-gen products like Swiggy, Red or Myntra? Welcome to IntelliPath's Advanced Certification in UI/UX Design in collaboration with iHub IIT Roorkee, the program where IIT faculty and India's top 1% industry experts shaping cutting-edge products mentor you to become a design pro. In fact, the UI/UX design has been one of the most successful programs of IntelliPath, where we have enabled even learners from non-tech backgrounds to achieve salaries above 15 LPA. We are certain that we can help you achieve similar results via guided live lectures, 30 plus industry-grade hands-on projects, case studies and tips to build your stellar design portfolio. Receive career assistance from IntelliPath and land your dream job. Call our course advisors today to learn more.